You know, a lot of people struggle with multiplication, especially if they didn't memorize the multiplication table. But there are actually some really effective strategies to get good at it without having to memorize everything.
That's a great point. One technique I find really helpful is using visual models, like arrays or number lines. It helps you understand the underlying concepts of multiplication rather than just memorizing facts.
Absolutely. Another useful strategy is to break down larger multiplication problems into smaller, more manageable steps. For example, instead of 12 by 15, you can do 12 by 10 plus 12 by 5.
That's a great tip. And you can also use the distributive property to simplify multiplication. For instance, 8 by 12 can be broken down into 8 by 10 plus 8 by 2, which is much easier to calculate.
Exactly. And don't forget about the commutative property of multiplication. You can switch the order of the factors and still get the same result. That can be really helpful when you're trying to find easier ways to solve a problem.
That's a great point. And one more tip I'd suggest is to practice regularly, using a variety of resources like flashcards, online games, or even real-world examples. The more you practice, the more fluent you'll become with multiplication.
Absolutely. Consistent practice is key. And remember, it's not about memorizing everything, it's about developing a deeper understanding of the concepts and being able to apply them flexibly. With the right strategies, anyone can become a multiplication master.